Good to go. Cool. Let's just fix my clothes real quick. Alright, cool, let's go. What's up, YouTube? My name is Ty, financial professional. Welcome to my channel. Alright, what up, everyone? What up, Ken?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you as always. I am PP 5% gain. Good. Yeah, I didn't see that, but oil was like one of the bright spots today. One of the only things that did go up. So, not surprised there. So I'm glad you made it there, but the rest of the market was good. Man, no gain from Clover. From 3.5, maybe hitting support at 2. We'll check it out here in a second. I haven't seen Clover in a while. AVC's good entry. We'll look at that one as well. AVCT. We haven't covered it. It's a hot stock. Just an educated guess right off the bat. I'm going to say no, but I haven't really looked at the chart too much. But last time I did look at it a couple of days ago, I don't think there was any gap downs. I mean, it is pulling back now. We'll check it out. We'll check those out. Both of those out. Clover and AVCT. What up, Tyler? And what up, Zach?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Thanks for being here, guys. Appreciate everyone, as always. That was the most BS day in SPY history. Today? Yeah, today was pretty crazy. Everything was green. Look at SPY here. Yeah, we started green. The high was like 401, pushing 402. And then at 12 o'clock, straight good, straight big connect. So, yeah. Market makers really, really pulled a fast one there. Pulled the rug pull. Jay Powell said, F your calls. So yeah, today was pretty BS. I wouldn't know. I don't know if it's the most BS day in history, but because we've had a few of those this year. Yeah, but today was pretty bad. But what do you expect? What do you expect? Fridays are usually bearish, but damn, yeah, today was pretty disappointing. Right shoulder forming in SPY and QQQ. Oh, inverse head and shoulders. Yeah, I can kind of see it. I can see it. You did mention that on Discord earlier. So, hey, I sure hope so. Time to really moon just after some guh. How much guh? How much guh is the question. So, yeah, hopefully it turns around soon, but I don't know. Personally, I think we're due for some more guh. But hey, fingers crossed. And yeah, Wall Street. Let's take a look. Yeah, switch my scene here. And Chimp 2. What's Chimp? DWAC showing signs of life. All right, we'll check that one out. All right, guys. So today is Friday, September 2nd, 2022. I'm your host, Ty, and this is Smarter Gambling. And today we're doing the show from Ramenistan. Yep, all major indexes in the red today. I actually did not see how crypto did. Let me check that out right now. I'm going to say it's red. And hopefully I get surprised. But I think it's red. Yeah, it's red. Under 20K. Go. Yeah, so nasty day in the stock market. Nasty day in crypto. All around good today. Yeah, today was pretty bad. Especially in the stock market. So pretty disappointing, but not surprised at all. This is 2022 for you. And, yep. Not a great way to start the month. Not surprised at all. But regardless, got a great show for you guys today. And today's show is going to be a little different than usual. Honestly, because there's really nothing to talk about today. Today was pretty nasty, but in terms of individual stocks, nothing was that crazy. Price action wasn't too crazy on it. The price action wasn't too crazy on anything. There were some honorable mentions. There was like BIAF. That's a hot stock lately, but that's like a brand new IPO, relatively new, so nothing really to analyze there. So AMC honorable mention, I think so. So we're gonna just briefly talk about SPY and Ape today. Not do a full TA or anything. I guess I can do a full TA on SPY, but whenever I do, it's not a popular video. You know, not many people watch the SPY videos, so it's not really worth it. So we'll just briefly talk about SPY, and I'll do maybe take 5 minutes to talk about Ape, mention some indicators there. But other than that, not really much to talk about. There was ATXG, which pumped and dumped in the past couple of days. Brand new IPO there. I think it went down 90% yesterday, down another 70% today. Sick stuff. And then there's GCT, which is pulling back. But yeah, pretty uneventful day. So we're not going to do any real TA today. Just a few talking points on some charts here. But so we'll make up for the TA with other great content. So as always, we'll be going over our daily stock and crypto reviews. We have 6 articles today. Pretty good articles too. So we have one article about Coinbase. They have a bug that got exploited, and some investors ran off with a lot of money. Interesting stuff there. We'll get to that. One about Cardano. They're going to fork soon. They're going to upgrade their network. So we'll read about that. That's just more like some technical stuff, though. Yesterday we talked about, was it yesterday? I think it was yesterday. We talked about MicroStrategy and Michael Saylor, specifically Michael Saylor getting accused of tax fraud. The IRS is saying he owes hundreds of millions in taxes from his Bitcoin. So we have a statement from MicroStrategy and Michael Saylor regarding that accusation there. We have an article about Kyber Network. They got hacked. Small hack there. And then the big news today was the jobs report. So we'll get to that. And then an article about the current state of the real estate market, the housing market. So a lot of good stuff to talk about today. A lot of news to go over. And like I said, today we're just going to briefly talk about SPY and Ape. Not do a full TA, but that'll probably take, 15, 20 minutes. Not too long. And then we'll get to the Yolos, and a lot of good Yolos today. I think we have like 15 Yolos, a lot of memes. A lot of lost core and more clowning on Bed Bath & Beyond. It's just a whole bunch of clowning on Bed Bath & Beyond. Because I'm kind of tired about talking about Bed Bath & Beyond, but but that's all Wall Street Bets is right now. It went from moon to to G to Diamond Hands. It's not done squeezing yet. Cohen didn't sell. Reg show. Whatever. Strategic update coming up. It's gonna moon. And then now it's just all bag holding and clowning on the apes. So, yeah, I'm kind of tired about talking about Bed Bath & Beyond, but it's some good content there. That's all there is on Wall Street Bets right now, and we can have a good laugh at the apes. What up, Eddie and Peasy?
Hey. What's up?
Thanks for being here, guys. Appreciate everyone, as always. Can you take a look at ATXG? I got on $900, 1K share. You got in at $900 for 1,000 shares? Am I reading that right? Huh? No way, dude. No way. I think that's a typo. I sure hope that's a typo. 900? No, that can't be right, dude. You're telling me you blew 900 grand on ATGX? I sure hope that's a typo. But sure, we'll take a look there. Okay. So yeah, guys, today's show really shouldn't be too long, because usually TA is the biggest part, and we're not going to spend too much time on TA today. So, I don't know, maybe we'll go... Really hard to tell nowadays, because even when I don't have too much content... there's a lot of chatting going on, and we end up staying like 3 hours just chilling and chatting. And Fridays are the best day for streaming. That's when people come and watch the most. So I don't have too much content for you guys. That should only take, I don't know, about an hour and a half to cover all the content. And then, if you guys want to chill, chat, answer, ask me any questions, that's cool. But I really don't expect today's show to be too long. Shouldn't be more than 2 hours. So yes, a lot of articles, No TA today, just a few talking points and a lot of YOLOs. So today should be fun. Really, really chill show. So, yeah, sorry about the market, guys. You know, rough day, rough week. But appreciate everyone for being here, and, you know, we're going to have a good time. It's going to be a great show. Can already tell. A lot of people in here nice and early. So appreciate everyone. What up, Low Roller? What's up? You got the news John McAfee in your show? No. What, did he come back from the grave or something? What's up? All right, I guess you can link that. All right, guys. So, yep, let's do it. And before we begin, please like the video, please subscribe, and catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. All right, let's go. Oh, and guys, quick reminder, no show on Monday. Monday is Labor Day. So happy Labor Day, everyone. Is it happy Labor Day? Yeah, I think so. Happy Labor Day. But yeah, no show on Monday. Market's closed. So I'll catch you guys on Tuesday. Nice long weekend here. Recover from the guh. And then we're right back to more guh next week. Hopefully not. Okay. So what are we looking at? Clover, AVCT, QQQ, DWIC, ATGX. All right, let's look at these stocks real quick. Clover. All right, so what's up with Clover here? All right, so 35 RSI. So not quite oversold and undervalued, but, you know, pretty good entry there. Yeah, 240, some support here. I should probably draw more. This is not very accurate. I should be drawing more supports. But yeah, it looks like there's one here at 240, which it's at right now. I'm going to draw some very rough sketches here. Very, very rough sketches. So this is probably one right here. Another support here. Probably another one here. I'll just put one here. Put another one there. And we'll put one right here. Close enough. I will do one here. All right, close enough. So yeah, 240 right now. So it's pretty good entry already. But next stop would be 235, 230, 225, 215, 205, and then $2. So yeah, it's pretty good entry already, but may come down lower. And if it does, you may want to average down there. And of course, longer term, this does look bullish. Big cup and handle and gap down here at 630. So 240 is some critical support here. But yeah, you know, I like entering here and lower. Probably lower. I personally wait for a little longer, maybe 230. $2, I don't know. That'd be pretty sick, $2. But definitely possible. If it's $2, that's definitely a good entry. But yeah, I think everything now and I think anything like now and below is a good entry. Probably 230 and lower is a good entry. And the AVCT. So this one's a little hard. Is this a good entry? Probably not. It's an average entry. RSI is at 48 here, 49. So very average entry here at 21. So yeah, it's not bad, but it's not great. So I'd probably not go for this one. No, not yet at least. So it's an okay entry, but you know, not excellent. Not terrible though. But I guess it'd be okay with you entering here, but it's not an excellent entry. And DWIC. Well, yeah, it's it looked like it bottomed out here. 2155 looks like some pretty critical support there. Looks like it's starting to bounce back now. 33 RSI, so it was oversold, undervalued yesterday, and today it's no longer, but still pretty, pretty good entry here. Got a cup and handle here. I think there's a couple gaps here. Yeah, a couple gaps here, so that's bullish. 59 gap there. I think there's another gap here, like 64. And cup and handle, so that's bullish. So it definitely more bullish indicators than bearish indicators right now. Cup and handle, double gap down, low RSI. The only bearish indicator I can really see is gap up at $10, which was back when it IPO'd. But that one's about to be off the chart here in like another month or two, so I wouldn't worry about that one too much. So yeah, you know, pretty good entry here. I think this is a good entry on DWIC. Technically, fundamentally, you know, they have a lot of drama going on right now. So personally, I wouldn't go for this. But yeah, technically, this does look like a pretty good time to enter. Not financial advice. All right, anything else? ATGX. All right, can't really say anything about this. Should you enter yet? Probably not. Probably not. It's probably going to keep going down. Why is today the most volume? The first day was the biggest day, had the least volume. Yesterday, pulled all the way back, had more volume. But today, the least price action and the biggest volume. That's crazy. What's going on here? All right, let's see. Catch up with some comments. I will be working Monday to look for free bonus on skill game. Oh, so you took today off. All right, cool. Well, hope that works out, dude. Good luck to you, and I appreciate you for making the show today. Have you noticed Luna Classic pump hard the last 30 days? Yeah, I did notice that. Very, very odd. And not financial advice, but you know, I highly recommend you guys not buy Luna Classic. I don't know why that's pumping. Very odd and highly dangerous, so you should probably not do that, guys. And I remember someone asked me, I think it was Monir, like, should I buy Luna Classic? And I said no, and then it pumped 30% the next day, and I'm like, damn, well, that sucks. But yeah, you guys should probably stay away from Luna Classic. Not worth it. I work Monday, double pay, fat check. Oh yeah, because Labor Day. For sure. You should get overtime too. Double pay and overtime. Really, really fat check. And then what you gonna spend it on? What YOLO are you gonna spend it on? No, I'm just kidding, dude. Yeah. That's true. When you work on holidays, I don't think I've ever. No, I have worked on a holiday. Have I? No, I think I got holidays off. I don't know if I ever worked on a holiday, but I remember my mom used to always go to work on a holiday because she got paid. What they say about $9 buyout AVCT? Isn't that just a rumor right now? I don't think it's confirmed. I think they're exploring their options, but let's check here. Yeah, I think that's just a rumor. Yeah, there's no buyout right now. They're looking for a buyout, but as of right now, no buyout, and you shouldn't really buy a stock because you think it's gonna get bought out. If it does, great, but you know, reminds me of like Microvision. Remember that stock way back in the day? They're like buyout, incoming, and they still haven't gotten bought out. And the apes bought in at 30, and now it's at like $2, whatever it is, and they're still waiting for a buyout. So that'd be nice, but don't count on it, I would say. If the SEC would stop the politically motivated investigation into DWC, it would run. It probably would. It definitely does not help. That's definitely hurting the stock. And now it may not even go public. It may not merge. Because I think they're having like some money issues or legal issues or something like that. So for sure, it doesn't help. The SEC is hurting DWAC for sure. Unfortunate. What up, Nicole? What's up? Happy Friday? Yes, happy Friday, everyone. Or not so happy Friday after the stock market. But, you know, we're in high spirits here. Appreciate you. I'm off Thursday to Saturday. I work Sunday to Wednesday. Like all the time? That's a pretty weird schedule. Thursday to Saturday. Interesting. Okay. Spend an IMPP. All right, dude. Go for it. Not financial advice, but now would be the time to average down and sell covered calls. What up, 1010? What's up? Texas Instruments open 24/7, never closed, bro. Do you work in, like, the office, or do you work in, like, the warehouse or something? Yeah, I remember I used to buy a lot of calculators from them. Got me for a lot of money. These damn calculators costing, like, $100, $200. I think I bought a $400 calculator from them one time. The really, really fancy one with the digital screen. It's not fancy anymore, but at the time, this was, like, the best calculator you can get. It had, like, a touch screen and a digital screen, and you could play games on it. I remember. I think I was playing Pokemon. I installed Pokemon on my TI calculator. So, and then I graduated college, and I'm like, damn, that was a waste of money. Was that it, the TI-83? I think it was the TI-83. No, it was the TI Inspire, I think. I think it was the TI Inspire. Inspire X, something like that. It wasn't even a number. Here's the News Luna Classic. You surprised how much it pumped last 7 days? All right, got you, dude. We'll get to that. Microvision 2.0? For sure. Yeah. So you guys do remember Microvision. Yeah, you weren't around for Microvision, Ken, but yeah, I remember it was at like 17, and I'm like, short it down, guys, short it down, and everyone was hating on me. and now it's at like 4, so, you know. Well, that's the way this channel goes, you know. I hate to be the Rainbow Bear, but I tell the truth, and then all the apes get mad, and then they get wrecked. So, you know, I try to warn the apes. They don't want to listen. What you gonna do? You work on the machine? Do you do you just sit around all day and then you do something when they call you, or do you actually do work all day? Make waffle makers. Interesting. I didn't even know TI made waffle makers. Okay. Cool. Let's get to the watch list here. Gotta take a quick drink. By the way, this juice from Costco, it's like this Dole juice, pineapple, mango, something. It's really good. If you guys want to try some, it's delicious. You're a tool owner. You fix and set up. So that means you're on call, right? You don't actually, you just like sit around all day, kind of like IT. You just sit around, and when they call you, you fix it. Those are like very chill jobs. You know, I'd love that. Just sit around all day and then work, 1-2 hours a day, something like that. So, nice, dude. All right, let's get to the watch list here. So, the Dow Jones down 1.07%. NASDAQ down 1.44%, and the S&P down 1.07%. Yep. Pretty bad day here today. Not the worst. Could have been worse, but yeah, pretty nasty. Especially because we were in the green this morning, and all day just kept bleeding down. And yep, not a great finish here. So for some reason, the VIX is down 0.35%, down 0.09 points. Really should have been up. I don't know why the VIX is down there, but not complaining. So we're at 25.47 VIX right now. Not great. Every time we get under 20, it goes right back up. So it's not terrible, but ideally we'd like to get back under 20. Okay. Watch this time. We'll start on the green side because not much in the green. What's this? AABB? Asia Broadband. This is a Chinese meme stock that no one really talks about anymore. But that's up 28%, 29%. And it looks like the only thing really up today is oil for the most part. We got HUSA, 14.5%, INDO, 11.8%. Groupon is up 7.5%. Interesting. IMPP, 5.8%. Nice recovery there. Glad for you guys. Ken and Eddie. I know you guys are in here. DWOC is up. AMC. So pretty much just memes and oil. A few select memes and oil is up today. AMC, Exxon, BBIG, BP, Chevron, gold, silver are up. That's about it. Just a few select memes and oil. Not much in the green today. So, yeah, pretty hard to make money here unless you're like a super ape, all in AMC or something. And let's get on the red side. Not going to spend too much time here because everything's in the red. Catch up on some comments. Your tool owner. Oh, tools are down all the time. All right, so it sounds like you stay busy. So you can't just sit around all day. Kroger guy now complaining he can't find his own employee. He wants to find his own employee. He wants to find his own employee when he was a poor person. He's still poor, isn't he? No matter what, the guy's gonna complain about something. There's just people like that. I wish the tools is old. Have you heard of applied material? The tool I'm working on? Applied material. That sounds familiar, but sounds really familiar, but no, I don't know what that is. Shoulda, coulda, woulda. Time had SPY 0-day puts sold for 75, lost 100. They ran to 6 apiece. Oh my god. Damn. Yeah, that would have been crazy. Well, that's not too bad of a loss, 100. But yeah, just really big missed opportunity there. But you know what? You've been winning like crazy lately, so can't win them all. But huge missed opportunity there. Oh well, what you gonna do? I heard he fired employees since he was the boss. He is no different person since he got promoted as manager. Kroger guy sold out. I thought he was for little guy. He's just another corporate guy. Yeah, you see people's true colors when you put money in front of them and stuff. But he's still true. He's still true to himself. He still complains about everything. I think he's still poor though, right? He's not rich yet. Still very green on the day. Whole account is up 37%. Whole account up 37% this week, bruh. Well, congrats, dude. That is some fat tendies. Especially because everything was pretty bearish. So I guess you went full rainbow bear mode and ate these apes up, took their lunch. That's huge gain, dude. Congrats to you. Just be careful. I mean, you show us what you do, and it doesn't seem that absurd. But when I hear 37% this week, I'm like, the hell did you do? Super FDs? It has to be, right? But no, you've been showing us in Discord what you've been doing. That's just, I didn't think it was that high. So congrats to you, dude. Really well done. How you trade SPY, that professional level? Most like a lot of day traders just trade SPY, like stock, and then they try to sell you this course. You see these ads, right? They're like, all I do is trade SPY, and I make $1 million a year, and you can too if you buy my $500 course. What they don't tell you is they have like $1 million bankroll in order to trade SPY. Normal people can't trade SPY. They can't swing trade SPY like that and make $1 million a year because they're broke. So it doesn't work, and they just scam you out of $500. So don't buy that stuff, guys. And then you got your apes just, playing options on SPY, which is high risk, high reward. But yeah, a lot of professionals just trade SPY. And like Apple and some other very blue chip stuff. Applied Material distributes semiconductor company? That's what it was, yeah. Applied Materials. That does sound very familiar. And then we just got that new semi-investment. Biden just did that whole chip investment. So I guess that's bullish for TI. And semis. I'm surprised Kroger guy didn't get fired yet since he get popular on YouTube. He's not too popular yet. I don't think his bosses know about his channel. But maybe when he hits like 10K or 20K, then people are really going to know. And probably going to get fired then. Intel, Taiwan Semi, TI, Samsung, LG. Yeah, all those companies. Kroger guy got a car and he spent a lot of money in Starbucks. Oh, he's living the good life now. See, and then once he loses his job, right, he's gonna be mad because he has to pay off his car, and yeah, he's stuck with his car note now and no job, and it's so unfair and blah 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 blah. So, this guy has a lot to learn. Instead of buying, I guess you kind of need a car, right? But did he buy a nice car? You should have bought like a pretty bad car. you know, just to get you from A to B, and then you should invest the money and not just buy the Starbucks and stuff. So that's why these chicks have no money. They just keep buying Starbucks and and Chipotle and whatever nowadays these teens buy, these kids buy avocado toast and Starbucks and you know, this crazy stuff. Stuff adds up. If you spend like 10, 20 bucks a day on Starbucks, adds up over the year. SPY option closed every day. What do you mean SPY option closed every day? SPY options work just like any other option. See the chart, cut it early if it doesn't go your direction, ride it when it runs. So far, so good. Yeah. And I do like SPY because, you know, the IV is very low, so little movements make a huge move in your options. It goes both ways though. If it goes the wrong way, you can get wrecked pretty easily. Could Starbucks go to $2? Can Starbucks go to $2? Isn't it above $2? Pretty sure it is. Yeah, Starbucks is 83. You mean Starbucks? Starbucks? The other one? STBX. You mean Starbucks? This one? This the latest hot stock here. I heard Kroger guy investing in cryptocurrency too. Yo, it's Dogecoin? Really? Doesn't sound like he does. How is he investing in crypto if he's so poor and then he's just blowing all his money on random stuff? Do you still sell on eBay? I never sold on eBay. What are you talking about, dude? I mean, I did, like, back in the day, I just sold some of my shoes and stuff in my closet, but I don't actively sell on eBay. All right. Yeah, I think it means Starbucks, not Starbucks. Starbucks. This, yeah, it can go to 2, but it looks like it's starting to bottom out here. But it very well can go to 2, yes. I wouldn't even mess with this. You know, brand new IPO, meme stock, whatever. I'd stay far away from this one. All right, let's get back to the watch list. Ten says he doesn't think Starbucks will go to $2. Yeah, maybe if they do a split or something. Not even, but it's not going to go that low. People love their Starbucks. Especially the white girls. All right. Carlos Santiago Gomez. What's up, dude? Thanks for being here. I think you're new, so welcome to the show and the community. Do you think the crypto markets and the markets in general will keep tanking? I think so. And not financial advice, but generally speaking, a bear market lasts on average 450 days. And so far, we've only been not even 300 days into this one since the start of 2022. So, I'm going to say yes. Probably for another, I think maybe by the middle of 2023, it's going to start going up. We're going to get out of this bear market. And I think by the end of 2023, we should be out of this. So, I think for now, in the short term, yes, it's going to keep going down. I think the earliest we'll get out of this is the start of 2023. But realistically, more like the middle to the end of 2023 is when we're going to recover. So I hope that answers your question. All right, back to this. Red side. All right, so CRTD. Damn, it's not 31%. Interesting. GCT going back down 15%, down to 20 now. And yeah, there's Starbucks, which we just did. All these Chinese meme pumpers. MEGL, HKD, all pulling back. MGAM, another one. A lot of memes here. Oxygen, Peloton. There's AMTD, another one. Damn, Tilray down 6%. A lot of growth here. Growth / memes. There's AVCT. Snap, Clover. So, pretty decent price action on the red side. But this is mostly memes and growth. Yeah, Wish. Meta is down 3%. Go. There's Starbucks. So actually, no, I take it back. Value is actually down quite a bit as well. Yeah, there's Meta, Pinterest, Starbucks, AMD, Tesla. Yeah, Tesla went down 2.5. Nvidia, 2% there. Alibaba, Pfizer, Spotify. Yeah, it's pretty bad. Pretty bad. So, big price actions to the downside. Growth and memes. Or growth and value. Yeah, it's pretty bad. We got Costco, Google, Netflix, all about 2% down. PayPal. Yeah, everything in the red today. Growth and value. Everything super deep in the red. Today was bloodbath. I would think that this is a bit deceiving. I would think that the indexes would be down a bit more. I'm not complaining, but this is pretty bad today in the stock market. So, go. So, yeah, there's the stock market, guys. Pretty disappointing day today, especially because we were in the green to start in the morning, and just a terrible day overall. Just kept bleeding, and finished down here. So that sucks. So I hope it wasn't too bad for you guys. Hang in there. I agree. It seems there's still a bottom to be found. Yeah. So actually, while we're at it, let's just look at let's look at SPY real quick. Let's look at SPY and APE real quick. Let's just do it now. Let's get the TA out of the way now. Then we'll get to the news. Not the TA, but the quick talking points. We'll do it now. Get to the news, and then we'll get straight to the Yolos. But yeah. So on SPY. So yeah, Carlos. So at least there's a gap. There's a double gap down here. 126 or 426 and 421. So those are bullish indicators. So it should eventually come back up there. But at the same time, we have gap downs to fill here. One at 380 and one at 370. So I do think this is coming back down at 370. Hopefully not, but I do. And hopefully it holds there at 360-ish. I really don't want to make lower lows here. That'd be pretty disgusting. But I do think this is coming back down to at least 370, possibly even lower. How's Bed Bath & Beyond? Really bad. Really, really bad. I try to warn everyone. I said, short, probably good time to sell, good time to short. So I think this is going to come back down to 650 at least before it bounces back to the upside again. In due time, this will have its day again. It's actually looking pretty bullish in the longer term. Triple gap down, cup and handle. So I think in the short term, this is going to keep pulling back to a 650 and lower. But I give it like 6 months to a year. The next mania, this is probably going to pump back up to at least 2250. So short term, bearish. Long term, bullish, I would say. Bed Bath & Beyond. Like every meme stock. Why the new Chinese IPO pumping so hard? Why Alibaba stock never go up? I don't know. It's definitely a thing. The Chinese IPO fintech momentum squeeze play. I really couldn't tell you why those are so popular right now, but those have been running. Any thoughts on GME warehouse in Vegas? I didn't hear anything about that. I'm not aware of what you're talking about, so can't really comment on that. What's up with that? Yeah, I can't comment on that. No idea, dude. Sorry. How about SoFi? All right, look at SoFi. Russia news started the sell-off. Yeah, so thanks for that, Tencent. Russia news. For some reason that wasn't on CNBC though. You would think, right? That's some pretty big news. Russia just cutting off all the oil to Europe. So, good thing. Catch blessings, guys. Be happy we don't live in Europe, or most of us at least. Because I couldn't even imagine my energy bill going up 200%. Bruh, hell no. Look, Luna Classic chart 1 month, or we'll get to that. Can you look at SoFi? Yeah, we'll look at SoFi. I thought USA will delist Chinese stock. No, they only delist the ones that are a threat to the national security. Like anything spy related. Or like defense related. Alright, SoFi. That mean we can't grow 420? Why can't we grow 420? Who said that? Not gonna take it away from me. All right, SoFi. So 37 RSI. So pretty decent entry. Not exactly excellent, but above average here. Can't go too wrong. And for sure, SoFi long term is very bullish. I don't see all the gaps, but there's one way back here at like 23, big cup and handle. This is near the all-time low. I think 525 would be a really good entry. Not sure if it will get back down there. But yeah, right now it's at like 580, then it's 565, 550, and then 525, and then 480. So yeah, I like going long here, and if it pulls back, then you can just average down. Pretty good entry here. Not excellent, but can't go too wrong here buying long. So yes, above average entry. Not excellent, but really good entry here. Oh, got you. Electric bill too high. Oh, you don't have to go indoor. Indoor costs a lot of money because you just gotta run the lights all 24/7. So ideally, but then you don't want to do like totally outdoor too because you want good stuff. So you gotta like do a mix of it. You gotta do light dip. Like in the greenhouse, you run the lights sometimes. You turn them off when the sun is up. Yeah. So definitely going to affect the 420 cultivators in Europe for sure, the indoor ones. Europe has a lot of nerve telling Putin to cap oil. He should cut them right off. He did. He literally said, all right, screw you guys. Bam. And now they got no more oil. And now they're in pure chaos. I don't know what they're going to do. They got to start buying oil from somewhere. Go get it from the Saudis. Go get it from us. I don't know, bro. Start investing in their green energy. I don't know, bro. They got to figure that out. That is a whole situation right there that I don't want no part of. So glad to be an American. You sound professional. Maybe underground 420 dealer. No, I just really like 420. And I've visited the West Coast a lot of times, and I've seen the industry there. At one point, I did want to go into the legal 420 business, but unfortunately, the laws and the regulations don't make it too profitable anymore. So that's why I know so much about it. I love 420, and at one point, I did want to get into the legal business. Unfortunately, it didn't work, and now I'm doing this, so no regrets. 420 make you lazy though, don't it? Yeah. If you do too much, you definitely shouldn't be doing it all day, every day. You gotta, be responsible and only do it when you want to wind down. For sure. You can't be doing it. You can't be waking and baking. I got connect you want to. I appreciate that, dude, but no, I'm happy doing this now. That was a few years ago, and now I'm onto this. So I appreciate that, dude. But sometime we should get together and blow it down. That'd be as a community. That'd be nice. 10 pounds a day. What? Holy crap! That's some Pablo Escobar stuff. That's some El Chapo stuff. That's a lot, dude. Is it federally legal in NY? I'm in New Jersey. So it's legal in New York, but it's not federally legal. It's state legal. So yes, it's legal in New York and New Jersey now. Russell Wilson signed big contract today. I didn't see that. What did he sign? El Chapo do 1 ton a day. Yeah, probably of everything, of white and everything. That Reggie? No, there's no Reggie here. I mean, it has gotten significantly better in the past few years, ever since it legalized. There's not too much Reggie anymore. It's like some pretty good stuff. You can get like 30 and eighth. It's like pretty good stuff. Like way better than anything you can get a couple of years ago. The only thing I'm pissed about is for some reason the shops around here, the people, the legal places that sell around here, for some reason they don't want to sell you more than an eighth. I'm like, yo, can I get a price cut for a quarter? And they're like, nah, like it's an eighth all the way up. It's same price. I'm like, what kind of business is this? The hell? Don't want to give me a price cut on the quarter or something. Anyway, enough of the 420 talk. All right, let's do Ape real quick. And white runts. Runts is a very popular strain nowadays. Back a couple years ago, it was not. Runts is like recently a thing. You think Ape just diluted AMC? Yes, it did. It wasn't supposed to, but that's what ended up happening. It was supposed to be. So Ape was supposed to go up and AMC was supposed to be down. Was supposed to go down, but they're supposed to trade like arbitrage to each other, you know. But for some reason, Ape went down more than it was supposed to go. So yes, it did dilute AMC, and in the end, it hurt the apes. It hurt the investors more than anything. I'll hook you up with some purple diesel. Snoop Dogg used to. Well, if Snoop Dogg used to buy it, you know it's loud. That sounds delicious, and I love me some purple stuff. I'd like to try some of that. That sounds delicious. Yeah. I thought it was 1 for 1. It was really like 2 for 1. It was supposed to be like a 2 for 1 split. Anyway, so I enjoyed talking 420 with you guys, but let me just do Ape real quick. let's finish up. Let me do the show, and if you guys want to chill later, we can chill as much as you want. Let me just do the show. But yeah, getting way off topic here. All right, so let's just briefly talk about Ape. We're not going to do a full TA because this just started trading not too long ago. But we can identify a few indicators here. All right, so first of all, this is a cup and handle forming. It looks like for the time being, 440 is the low. Hopefully that holds. And the top of the cup could be 765 or the high of 1050. So that's a bullish indicator. That is telling us that the stock should come back up to one of those tops to complete the cup. We also have a gap down at 631. So that's a bullish indicator that is telling us that the stock should come back up to 631 to fill that gap, and that should happen in the short term. And then here we do have this descending channel, where the upper channel is currently at 465 and the lower channel is at 370. So if this broke 465 to the upside, that'd be bullish, and if this broke 360 and if this broke 370 to the downside, that would be bearish. This did in fact break 465 to the upside, so the ascending channel. So that's a bullish indicator that is telling us that the stock may be due for a breakout. The only bearish indicator is the MACD. Let me move the. Hold up. Gotta switch this. All right, there we go. Oh, nope, that's not right. Maybe it is right. Hold up. What the hell is going on here? All right, whatever. I don't care. The only bearish indicator would be the MACD, the moving average convergence divergence. So the MACD line is below the signal line right now, so that's a bearish indicator. But it does look like it's starting to catch support. But it does look like it's starting to bottom out and may reverse pretty soon. So it's currently bullish. So it's currently bearish, but it may turn bullish very shortly. Okay. So yeah, not many indicators to go off of, but there are way more bullish indicators than bearish indicators right now. So the stock does look bullish short and long terms. So I can't support going long here at the current price, $5. I think it's a pretty good entry. And should pay off and that should pay off pretty big in the short and long terms. So good luck to everyone currently in the stock, and So congratulations to everyone who made money in the stock today. Yeah. So good luck to everyone who's currently in the stock, and good luck to everyone who wants to take a position. This is APE Ape. All right. Cool. So that was our TA for today. A lot of comments to get. Wow, okay. What up, Francisco? What's up? Appreciate you guys.
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
If you guys haven't yet, please smash that like button. Please and thank you. Type in AMC/APE in TradingView, the ticker symbol window. It should show you the price change between AMC and APE. It's held pretty constant the past couple of days. Haven't checked today. It's supposed to be like that. You know, it's supposed to be trade arbitrage to each other. It's not supposed to be, I think the professionals are doing arbitrage trading. So that's a good thing if it is changing, pretty consistently between each other. Can you look at IMPP? Sure. I mean, there's not much to see, dude. Was like 1.8-ish yesterday, meaning AMC is worth 1.8 ape. Is that good or bad? I'm still very confused on how this whole AMC ape thing works. How like the price of one affects the other, but and I'm sure the apes don't even know how it works either. See, IMPP, not much has changed. Big gain today, but yeah, I still think it's a pretty good entry. Well, according to the RSI, it's like average, but you can't go wrong at 34 or 35. So, long term, it'll pay off. Next time it squeezes again, probably give it 6 months or something. So just hang in there for IMPP. And AMC, yes, AMC is a good entry. I talked about it yesterday. I didn't post the video yet. I still got to do that. So my bad about not getting the video out on AMC yesterday. But I'll put that out tonight along with the aped TA we just did. So in summary, yes, this is a good entry on AMC. RSI is low, yearly low, gap down. So it looks like a very good entry to me. INDO was good today. Yes, INDO was very good. All the oil was good today. Yeah, nice gain here. Okay, so let's get to crypto now and then the news. So we're going a little bit out of order today, but that's cool. So crypto time and then news. We have a lot of news today. All right. And I hear a siren coming, so I'm going to mute while this finishes loading, and I'll take a drink in the meantime. All right, still in the background. Whatever, we're good. I don't have to stop for sirens today because we're done with the important stuff. All right, let's get to crypto. And let me check YouTube real quick, see where we're at. 7 viewers, 12 likes. All right, thank you guys. If you guys haven't yet, please smash that like button. Please, thank you. All right, crypto. So crypto's down 0.59% today. So not great, but not too bad. I'll take it. Let's check it out. Pretty uneventful. So crypto or Bitcoin's down 0.55%, under 20K. Ether down 0.9%. Got Binance down 0.8. XRP down 0.7. Cardano down 0.3. Everything is pretty much down. Polkadot's up 3%. Bright spot there. I don't see much green. Litecoin's up 7%. Wow, big gain there. What happened? Yeah, so there's some green, but not too much. I don't see too much price action. Let's sort this out. All right, so it looks like maybe 25% of the coins in the green today. 75% in the red. And price action wasn't too great on the green side. Biggest gainer is Litecoin, 7.2%. Urine Finance, 7. 1inch, 7. But yeah, nothing in the double digits. But we do have some decent value here. Litecoin, Polkadot, Chainlink, Cosmos. But not really much going on in the green side. And on the red side, same thing. Not much price action. Biggest loser is Helium, 7%. But most of the coins in the red here. So that's probably why the market is slightly bearish today. And there is some pretty decent value in the red side as well. So yeah, we got Leo. There's value, FTX, Doge, Avalanche. So yeah, price action wasn't too crazy today in crypto, but definitely a lot more red than green. Coins in the red than the green side. So that's why crypto was slightly bearish today. Nothing too crazy though. You know, I'll definitely take it. Could have been a lot worse. But yeah, you know when the S&P is down more than crypto is, you know it's a really bad day in the stock market. So yeah, pretty bad day in stock market. It's an okay day here in crypto, slightly bearish. But yeah, overall, I don't know. It's pretty hard to make money today unless you went like full rainbow bear mode, or you're like all in AMC. So a pretty rough day here today. Hope it wasn't too bad for you guys. Hope you guys made money, and if not, hope it wasn't too bad. AMC have good cover call. Yeah, dude. For sure. That I think buying here at whatever it is now, what, like 8, 9, whatever. I think it's 9, right? Buying in at AMC now and selling cover calls is a really good play. Excellent entry, and pretty high IV on those meme stocks. So I like that strategy. You could even sell puts and then sell covered calls if you get a sign. But yeah, I think cover calls on AMC is a good strategy. All right, let's get to some news here today. All right, so today, once again, guys, I have 6 articles for you. One about Coinbase, one about Cardano, one about MicroStrategy and Michael Saylor, one about Kyber Network. So 4 crypto articles, and then we have the big news today, jobs report, and then real estate numbers. And then we got a bunch of stuff from Low Roller. All right, let's do it. Litecoin will have next year. Yeah, but why is it going up today? Is that breaking news or something? I don't know. It's weird that Litecoin's up so much today. All right. Fix my hair real quick. Okay. First article. Coinbase users just withdraw 100x their holdings. Here's how. All right, so this was a bug that Coinbase had. Totally their fault. But yeah, so apparently, if you live in Georgia, the country, not the state Georgia. I thought it was Georgia the state initially, but no, country Georgia. The bug thought that the Georgian Lari, Lari, that's their currency. It was at 2.9, a rating of 2.9, but there was a bug that thought it was 290. So so yes, if for an equivalent, if I had $1 in Coinbase, Coinbase thought I had $100. So if you had I don't know, $1,000, it would think you had $100,000. That is nuts. So yeah, so they effed up. They did not discover the bug until 7 hours later, and by that point, a lot of people cashed out. And now they're taking legal action to go after those people. So yeah, a lot of these crypto exchanges effing up here. We just went over the article where the lady, Crypto.com, gave the lady 10 million bucks, and she hid it through her family, and she doesn't want to give it back now. So yeah, I guess Coinbase has a right to. Well, they can try to get their money back. Doesn't mean they will. And if they don't, it's totally their fault. I don't know. I hope these people don't get charged with a crime, because it wasn't really their fault. They just had to try to take advantage of it. But yeah, Coinbase effed up here. So if you live in Georgia, good chance you cashed out at Coinbase here. All right, next article. All right, this one is a bit more serious. So official date for Cardano Vassal hard fork is finally confirmed. All right, so yeah, Cardano is going to go through a big upgrade here, big technology upgrade. It says it's going to be available September 22nd, so 3 weeks away. 3 weeks away. Cardano, big upgrade here. In terms of, is that going to help the coin price? Maybe a little bit, but honestly, when it comes to this technology stuff, no one really cares. No one's a computer nerd. Not many people are actual like computer nerds. When it comes to this stuff, people just care about their money. So I think it'll help a little bit with the coin price, but I don't think it's gonna affect it that much. But yeah, bullish for Cardano, and definitely gonna help the network out. As for the stock price, the coin price, probably going to be a little bullish. And this is also, and Ether is also going to upgrade pretty soon. So a lot of platforms upgrading, a lot of coins upgrading their network right now. Coinbase, well, if you read our terms of service, you can't screw us. We only screw you. Give our money back. Yeah, that was also, remember, that reminds me, when people were trading, when people were shorting down Luna, right? People were shorting down Luna, and they made tons of money shorting Luna, right? And Coinbase said, nope, actually, that was the wrong price, so we're not gonna give you your money. Sorry, not sorry, but here's a $10 credit. They literally said that. Like, yeah, actually, the price on Luna was wrong, so your trades are invalid, so we're gonna reverse that. But for your troubles, we'll give you $10 credit. Like, bro, you just reversed the trade and took back whatever $50K from me, but I get a $10 credit. You gotta be kidding me. I'd be so mad. But then, if it went the other way, if you shorted Luna and it went to the upside and you lost a bunch of money to Coinbase, they wouldn't care, right? So yeah, the house always wins. I really don't like Coinbase. I really, really don't like Coinbase. All right, next article. MicroStrategy sailor respond to tax fraud lawsuit. So we went over this yesterday. Sailor's in some trouble right now. The IRS is coming after him and MicroStrategy, saying he owes hundreds of millions in back taxes. So yeah, Michael Saylor's company, MicroStrategy, called the lawsuit against its former CEO false and claimed it will fight back aggressively. Okay. So yeah, they said he lived in D.C. He owes a lot of taxes in D.C. Saylor says he actually did not live in D.C. He lived in Florida, which is tax-free, so he doesn't owe you anything. Which isn't exactly true. It's income tax-free, not capital gains tax-free. So, you got to be careful with that. So actually, maybe he may not owe taxes in D.C., but he owes taxes in Florida. He owes taxes somewhere. But I think it would be better if he paid in Florida. So who knows where he actually lived? But the IRS says he lived in D.C. He's claiming he lived in Florida. and MicroStrategy is backing Sailor. Well, they say it's not our problem. He says it has to do with Sailor and the IRS. It has nothing to do with us. So leave us out of it. That's what MicroStrategy said. Why IRS didn't go after Michael Saylor during the bull run? Why they do it now? Good question. I don't know. I have no idea. It is pretty odd. But yeah. So I guess this is going to be an ongoing thing that we're going to be following. So IRS wants hundreds of millions from Michael Saylor and MicroStrategy, and they're just pretty much saying "F you. We're not giving you anything." They're going to fight it out in court. Probably going to end up settling somewhere in the end. You know, that's usually how these things work out. You owe me money? No, I don't. And then they end up settling. Fight it out for 1 or 2 years. They end up settling. So yeah, just an update there on the Michael Saylor MicroStrategy tax fraud thing. And if any new updates come out, I'll be sure to bring it to you guys. All right, next article. Minor article here. Kyber Network offers bounty following 265K hack of decentralized exchange. As a bug bounty, we're offering you 15% of the funds if you return it and have a conversation with our team, said Kyber Network. All right, so I didn't even know they got hacked, but yeah, apparently Kyber got hacked for 265K, which really sucks. But, you know, compared to the other hacks, some other hacks, that's peanuts. So, they'll be all right. You know, we saw some other hacks, 600 mil, 200 mil, something ridiculous. So 265K is really not too bad. But that is pretty unfortunate, and I do hope the hacker returns the funds and, you know, keeps the bounty. And in the end, you know, I hope no investors lost their money. I hope Kyber takes the L on this one. But yeah, mini hack here, Kyber Network. So hopefully the victims get their, hopefully the hacker returns the money. I hope they return the money. All right, next one. So enough for crypto. All right, payrolls rose 315,000 in August as companies keep hiring. All right, so this was the big news today. Job report. What the hell? All right, I think there's something wrong with CNBC. I don't know. My screen just went black. Hold up. All right, I think we're okay now. That was weird. All right, continuing on. Non-farm payrolls rose 315,000 jobs in August, just below the Dow Jones estimate for 318,000. The unemployment rate climbed to 3.7%, 0.2 of a percentage point higher than expectations. Wages also rose with an average hourly earnings up 5.2% from a year ago, slightly lower than the estimate. The biggest sector gainers were professional and business services, healthcare, and retail. Okay. So actually, this is not good, is it? This is yeah. So they missed on expectations for non-farm payrolls, and unemployment rate keeps going up. So that's higher than expectations. Yeah, this is pretty bearish. Although wages did rise. Although I'm not sure if that's bullish or bearish, because with inflation, wages does have to rise. Wages, yeah, they do have to rise. So this isn't good. This is actually bearish. Not too bearish, but slightly bearish, and probably a big reason as to why the stock market is selling off today. It's not bad jobs reports, but it did not meet expectations. So yeah, probably that's why, a big factor as to why the market's selling off here today. All right, and last article, and then we'll get to low roller stuff. And let me open low roller stuff and let it load while I catch up on some comments. All right. I gotta scroll way back here. All right. Bear with me, guys. I gotta look through this whole chat for the links. All right, I think I got all the links. All right. He can sell his $100 million lost in Bitcoin. He can pay it back tax deductions. He can buy the same time Bitcoin. Can he do that? You know what? He should do that. As a matter of fact, he should do that. If they claim he owes taxes, he should just sell it for a loss and deduct it for a net equal. Just to screw with the IRS. He should do that. Like, really? I owe you taxes? No, now I don't. I sell for a loss. Now I don't owe you nothing. He really should do that. I travel for work. My company was responsible for tracking where I was working. If I worked in California for a week, they kept track and took taxes out of my pay. That's why they are going for Michael Saylor. Yeah, but you're a legal resident of Texas. What? That doesn't sound right. Really? It works like that? They really tax you for the days you were not in the state? That doesn't sound right. I mean, if they did it, then I guess it's true. But that's highway robbery. Interesting. So I guess the IRS has a somewhat of a case there. We'll see how it plays out. I didn't know that though. I thought as long as you live in your state for half a year, you can file there. Interesting. I did not know that. And damn, yeah. Texas, from no tax to paying the highest tax in the country, one of the highest tax in the country, that sucks. And I sure need to move to a state with no income tax. That'd be very, very nice. What up, Wilson? What's up? Leaving casino. How'd you do? Hope you did good. Which play? Poker? Pai Gow? Baccarat? Hope you made some tendies there. If job numbers are bad, Jay Powell will be less likely to increase rates. Bad news is good news. In this market, bad news is good news. Good news is bad news. Bad job numbers is good for the market in a weird way. That's why we ripped up this morning. Yeah, and then we went good. It is double taxes you. I don't think it's double tax. But do you have to file in Texas or do you have to file in California for those days? That's weird. 50% federal tax. Damn. All right, next article. 1 in 5 home sellers are now dropping their asking price as housing market cools. Homes in August sat on the market for an average of 5 days longer than they did a year ago. The median listing price in August dropped $435,000 to $449,000 in July. So average or median home price dropping about $15,000 here. That's not too bad. That's really not too bad. The average home sold for less than its list price for the first time in more than 17 months during the 4-week period ended August 28th, according to Redfin. All right, so I mean, not anything surprising. You know, the whole market is go right now. Everything is go, so it was only a matter of time before housing followed. And you know, all things considered, I think $15,000 a drop in value from your house is really not that bad. Housing is still pretty strong. I think it went down 6%. So yeah. You know, this really ain't too bad. So now is the time to buy the dip on a home, not financial advice. And, you know, homeowners really shouldn't be crying too much. Because, what? So your home went down $15,000 in value, but over the past 2 years, it went up how much in value? But like 30%? Come on, give me a break. It's still a good time to sell. And pretty good time to buy. So yeah, not surprising at all. It was a matter of time before housing went down as well. Real estate went down. During Now We Talk, later in an hour. All right, dude. We may not be here in an hour. We have no TA today. We already got through it. So we're just gonna get through the rest of these. Some quick low roller articles, and then we'll get onto the Yolos. And that's the show. So we'll probably be done by 6 o'clock today. But I appreciate you for being here, dude. Alright, now let's get to low roller stuff. John McAfee's former wife responds to fake deletion claims. No, I think he's gone. I think he's gone. But what, there's rumors he's alive? There's a Netflix documentary on McAfee's life and deletion released on Wednesday titled Running with the Devil, The Wild World of John McAfee. Wasn't there already? How old is this article? August 26th. This is new. Wasn't there already a Netflix documentary on John McAfee? I saw it. He interviewed a bunch of his girlfriends. You know, it was saying a whole bunch of stuff that he did. That he liked. That he was wild in bed, and he liked it when you defecated in his mouth and stuff like that. Yeah, it was yes. And then he ran a whole. I forgot where it was. He was somewhere in like Central America, South America, right? I forgot where it was. And then he like legit hired a militia, a private militia, and he ran the town. This guy was insane. So there's another documentary now. Okay, I gotta watch that. But it says his ex-girlfriend got a phone call 2 weeks after he got deleted. I got a call from Texas. It's me, John. I paid people off to pretend that I am deleted, but I am not deleted. You're only the third person in the world that knows that I'm still alive. And then he asked me to run away with him. Interesting. But his ex-wife, so his girlfriend, his ex-girlfriend said he's still alive, but his ex-wife said that's BS. I don't know. He very well may be. You know, knowing his crazy life, I wouldn't doubt it. But even if he is alive, we would never know, unless he gets caught. But he's a wanted man. Interesting. So yeah, John McAfee may or may not be alive. All right, what's this? You want me to look at the chart here? Yeah, so in 1 month, went up like 300% in the past month. Doesn't mean you should buy it, but yeah, this is insane. Yeah, don't buy Terra Classic, guys. This is totally insane. I don't know why it's pumping so hard. Yeah, Terra Luna coming back. Yeah, so no idea why it's going up, but don't buy it, guys. Well, it's going up on hype, I guess, because they're planning to revive the chain. So yeah, major run here, but doesn't mean you should buy it. 62% of wallets did not sell Bitcoin for a year amid the bear market. Yeah, everyone just held. Everyone just held and got wrecked. Of course. Only the institutions really sold. Retail just held and got wrecked. Russell Wilson, 5 years, 245 mil. Damn, 49 mil a year. That is some. Yeah, he got the bag. Nice. Shout out to Russell Wilson. Don't play no damn video. Yeah, these athletes are getting paid crazy money now. Like the superstars, they get 50 mil a year. Damn, that's crazy. But well deserved. You know, Russell Wilson definitely is a good quarterback. He deserves 50 mil a year. Yeah, he got his bag. And watch, Sierra's gonna divorce him now. Gonna divorce him and take his bag. And so he's a great player, but you know what? You probably should not have wiped up Sierra because she's damaged goods, and I don't know why you would, you know, take on Future's son like that. That's crazy. Like this, the kid is literally named Future, right? And he's a stepdad. So, oh, not financial advice, but it's probably not a good thing. It's not financially responsible to take on a stepchild. I would never, and I recommend you guys don't either. You think Otani will get $50 million contract per year soon? Yeah, probably. And Aaron Judge, too. He's going to get bagged this year, Aaron Judge. Maybe not 50 mil, but like maybe 40? 30 something, 40? Well, this Cardano gets listed on Robinhood, but 88 bulls are running out of steam, risking 40% drop. Alright, so yeah, that could be it. It's on Robinhood, but Robinhood users only buy Doge and Sheep. They don't care about any other coin. So probably pumped it a little bit, but not really making a difference, I don't think. Like when Sheep got listed, it moons, but you know, unless it's a meme coin, I don't think the apes really care about this stuff. All right. So we got one more article here, and oh, here it is. It says ex-NBA center facing prison sentence for FaceTime with IRS over China Pay. Randolph Morris? I do not remember this guy. Failed to convince federal judge to suppress statements he made during FaceTime conversation with IRS agents while he was in China. All right, so he didn't pay taxes while he was in the U.S. So you know what? Just go stay in China, dude. Don't come back. Don't come back to the U.S. Stay in China, get your bag, go move somewhere else. Move to Europe. I don't know. Probably not come back here unless you want to unless you want to go to jail and get all your paychecks garnished. All right, guys. So yeah, that's all the articles for today. Good stuff. And now let's get on to the Yolos. Give me a second here. Got a lot of stuff up. So what time is it? 5:27. We should be out of here in about half hour. Alright, guys, so I'm going to give this a minute to finish loading. But yeah, all we got left is the Yolos for today. So let me check YouTube real quick, see where we're at. Interesting. Didn't it say... It said 17 likes before. Why does it say 14 now? Are the bots in here hitting the like button? That's interesting. Alright, so it looks like there's not so many people left in the show. That's alright. It says 3 people, so appreciate everyone who's still here. And yep, all we got left to do is the YOLOs for today. So, yeah, guys, today, this should be fun. We have a lot of YOLOs. 15 of them, mostly memes. A lot of lost corn. And some gain corn, but mostly lost corn. Mostly memes and lost corn from Bed Bath & Beyond. Because Wall Street Bets is mostly just Bed Bath & Beyond nowadays. So, yeah, gonna give this another few seconds to finish loading, and we'll get started here. What up, Brucey? What's up? Appreciate you as always, dude. And if you guys haven't yet, please smash that like button. Please and thank you. And yeah, guys, if you have anything, any questions, comments, concerns, charts, anything you want me to look at, put it in the chat right now. Otherwise, we'll just finish up the YOLOs and get out of here. Damn, it's 76 today. It's like kind of cool, and I'm still sweating. That's what I get for wearing long sleeves. All right, guys, let's do it. This first one is by Rich Beasy. Current state of Wall Street bets. So this is from God, what is the show called? I never really watched it. It's King of the Hill, right? I think it was. Excuse me, are y'all with the cult? We're not a cult. We just worship a single stock with no future on the sheer hopes of a squeeze no matter what the negative news arises. This is it. Yep. This reminds me of back in AMC, when I called AMC a cult and all the apes were hating on me. It is not a cult. We just remember what happened in 08. And down with the hedgies, blah, 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 blah. It's a cult. It's a cult. So, you know, when it becomes a cult, is a good time to exit and probably short it down. So, yes, Bed Bath & Beyond is in fact a cult. AMC is a cult. GME is a cult. It's all a cult. And so when you get the cult indicator, guys, inverse the cult. And you're probably going to win. So, I felt this one, for sure. The bag holding cult. What up, Punk Skater? What's up, dude? Appreciate you as always. Man, today was volatile AF. Yeah, dude. And pretty disappointing way to end the day. Went from, you know, super green. Well, not super green, but we were in the green. Pretty deep in the green. And finished down 1% in the red, so. Yep, J Powell said F your calls. Marriage is the biggest risk to take in life, so make sure you buy some puts to hedge. Well, that's one way to play it, but personally, I wouldn't even hedge. I would just not do it in the first place, you know? Yeah, I'm not along on marriage. I'm a rainbow bear on marriage. I will short marriage all the way down. Not a position I would like to take. So if you guys want to do it at your own risk. And yes, I would recommend if you do decide to go long on marriage to hedge for sure. But not something I would go for. Russia cuts off gas exports to Europe via Nord Stream indefinitely. Yeah, so yeah, Punk Skater not Punk Skater. Tencent mentioned that earlier on Discord. So yeah, that's pretty big news. I was surprised that wasn't on CNBC. But yeah, that's pretty bad. I don't know what Europe's gonna do. They got to figure something out in a couple of months here. They're probably scrambling. It is complete chaos over there. Their energy bills are going to be through the roof. They already are. Puts on marriage. I feel you. I feel you, bro. Yeah, dude. It's just not financially a good thing to do. Not here in America, at least. Maybe if you move to a different country where the laws are different, where you don't get totally bent over. Yeah, maybe in a different country you can get married, but I definitely don't recommend that in the United States or any Western country for that matter. All right. Why is it taking so long to load? There we go. And here comes the siren, so sorry about the sirens, guys. Gonna talk over it. Man, Larola, you got a lot of stuff for us today. Well, you're lucky we got time today, because there's no way we could get through all this stuff if I had TA. Stop loss on marriage at 50%. Yeah, well, even that's a huge loss, but it's better than 100%. So stop loss 50% is like child support. And then if you don't hit the stop loss, you probably end up paying alimony as well. And, you know, everything else. Lose your house. Lose your house, your investments, everything. And, yeah, Zataru, I think you're new here, so appreciate you, dude. Welcome. Today I was looking a diamond in a rough. I was looking for a diamond in the rough. This morning I found it. PDD. Bought at 70 call. At the bottom and was up 50%, sold, walked away like a boss. Nice, dude. Congrats. Nice. Yeah, so I'm glad you made money. You know, because today was pretty rough. But awesome, dude. Congrats there. Stop loss on marriage, that's a good idea. Yeah. So So I wouldn't recommend entering that position in the first place, but if you do, for sure, you got to use stop losses. For sure. Divorce 100% down. Yep, pretty much. That's how it goes. So you know how you avoid that? Don't do it in the first place. Don't make a bad investment like that. All right, next one. Can't give credit. Bro. All right. Bro, please, it's going to the moon soon, bro. The hedgies are scared, bro. It's a really underrated company, bro. Seriously. Bed Bath & Beyond is the new GME, and it's mooned so many times before. Ape together strong, bro. For real, for real. 11 is a steal when we go to 69, 420. Yeah, bro.
Bruh.
So, it's pretty sad. This is hilarious. But it's pretty sad at the same time because this is legit what the apes think, or what they thought. I think a few apes came to their senses, but, like, legit. Hedgies are F. Deep value, underrated. GME's gonna buy Bed Bath & Beyond. Apes together strong. It's gonna squeeze. Reg show, right? All this stuff. And in the end, give him the clown. So, you know, can't feel too bad. You try to warn the apes. They don't want to listen. They do their little cult thing, their echo chamber. Moon, squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. And, yeah, can't feel too bad at the end. You know, you try to warn them. They just love losing money. So, I feel this one. This is, this is real stuff right here. Very accurate. Don't get married, guys. Not financial advice. No, that pretty much is financial advice. If you're going to get married, you know, you're taking a chance. You are putting your finances in a very vulnerable spot. And don't say get a prenup, because even with a prenup, that's not foolproof. With a prenup, the judge can easily throw your prenup out if they wanted to. Your ex-wife can claim deception or coercion. I didn't want to sign it. He made me sign it. I was drunk. He made me sign it. You know, I was doing it under duress. And just because you have a prenup doesn't mean they won't fight your prenup. So, you're still going to spend $50,000 fighting the prenup, arguing over the prenup in court. And the only people that win are the lawyers and the government. You will delete old and only? Not necessarily. Well, don't we all anyway? I'm good. It's okay, guys. I was drunk, so it doesn't count. Not legit. Like, I've seen that. I've seen a case like that in court. Like, I was drunk. He made me sign the prenup. It doesn't count. I was under duress. You know, he was pressuring me to sign the prenup. It doesn't count. And then even if you say, well, here's your signature, and then she's going to drag your ass to court, and then you're going to spend $50K just fighting over, not even on the divorce, fighting over if the prenup is valid. I'm striking rich first, so I can get married as soon as possible. Well, if you get rich and then you get married, you're probably gonna lose all your money after that. Like I said, if you're gonna get married, do it in a different country. Don't do it here. Don't do it here. Bad idea. Do it where somewhere where you don't get bent over the judge, where the judge doesn't bend you over and wreck you. All right, next one by Father. Bed Bath & Beyond was never about the squeeze. So here's a flex tape meme. So here's Wall Street Bets. Meme stonk, down 81%. Bam! Slap it on there. It's a long-term investment. Yep, said every single ape clown. Where's my... Yep, said every single ape clown ever. It's gonna squeeze. It's gonna squeeze. Nuclear MOAS. Blah, blah, blah. Reg show. Blah, blah, blah. Ryan Cohen. Blah, blah, blah. Goes down. Manipulation. It's okay. It was long-term investment anyway. Yep. And the cycle repeats and the new generation of bag holders born. Every single time. Alright, by Fenton7. Lost money on AMC, Bed Bath & Beyond, GME, and others. This may be for you. Tools for the modern ape. Introducing the multiple bag holder. Oh, I like this one. That's pretty creative. Yep, so why hold one bag when you can hold 4 at the same time? Good stuff here. People have divorced with Beanie Babies in the 1990. They have settled Beanie Babies' asset value in 1990. What's the word now? Sheesh, another red day. It's okay. I'm a long-term investor, clown. Yep. I like the stock. Good fundamentals. I don't care if Ryan Cohen sold. I still like the stock. It's coming back. Multiple bag holders for AMC, Bed Bath & Beyond, GME. Yeah, you would figure you learned your lesson the first time, right? GME, you should have learned your lesson the first time. Alright, can't give credit. Clutching my pearls. So this was a tweet by Fidelity. This is legit a tweet by Fidelity. They tweeted, stonks. And DAG Investments. This tweet is very, very concerning since we have accounts at Fidelity. Based on our understanding that the company is run by adults. Does anyone know what's going on with this Twitter verified Fidelity account? Hacked? Yeah, so, probably not the best PR for Fidelity. I don't know who's running this account, but probably not a good idea, dude. Chill out. Probably delete this. Fidelity's going ape mode now. And BlackBerry. Yeah, yes, and BlackBerry too. Although it's not nearly as bad as GME and AMC. But yeah, BlackBerry, Wish was another one, right? Wish, Clover, all that stuff. MMAT, Wish, Clover. Alright, this is a good one. By Tommy Miller Gmail. I put my heart into the Bed Bath & Beyond poem. Please do not criticize it as I have a fragile ego. All right, so this is a masterpiece here. I really appreciate this. Let's read. There was once a company selling towels. Its performance was definitely foul. Though it brought wares from China, cash it bled like Sue's gina. Who's Sue? As the company was dying, along came Dude Ryan. As shorts hit the tape, this was attracting some apes. So Dude made a plan, but before it began, he knew the losses could not possibly be fixed, and he thought this plan better be nixed. Despite mincing millions from fans, Ryan screwed over his clan. He showed them his calls, sounding bullish to all. As the stock began to rise, he only knew the surprise. Dude Ryan would make a profit, while apes would lose the opposite. Hoodwinked apes mostly split. Others tried to make up some shiz. They pushed a list of reg show, a shaky theory, faux show. But Tao Co. fell down the list, making mad apes more pissed. Shares hit some fresh lows. Not fun for the bros. Bros hated those shills, yet still hated them bills. Yet still had them bills. So apes sold that stock to avoid sucking. That didn't rhyme. Okay. The end. P.S. Dude Ryan happily lived ever after with 67 million Intel Co gains. Masterpiece right here. This guy's Shakespeare, man. Well done. This is one of the better posts in a while. Give this guy some credit. Why does he only have this many awards? He deserves a lot more awards than this. Yeah. So, Tommy Miller Gmail. Thanks for posting. This was amazing. This was amazing. You may have a new career. I don't know. May want to be a poet. This was good. To avoid sucking, it does rhyme. There's one more word. So Ape sold that stock to avoid sucking. Oh! To avoid... Lock, stock, clock. Yep. Got you, got you. So Ape sold that stock to avoid sucking. Yes. To avoid going behind Wendy's at the dumpster. Got you. I missed it. I missed it. Good catch, 1010. Yes. So Ape sold that stock to avoid going to avoid going behind the dumpster. Good stuff. Bravo. Ayo pause. Yes, Ayo pause. So the squeeze is over? Yes. Yes, it is. It's been over. The squeeze was 30. It'll be back probably in 6 months to a year. But for now, yes, the squeeze is over. All right, enough memes. Good stuff. Let's get to the actual Yolos here today. Buy now a check PL 0-day SPY YOLO was down 60K about 10 minutes ago. Oh my god. All right. So this guy, Super 8 move, SPY September 2nd. So yeah, 0-day SPY call here, $400 strike, 631 shares, or 631 contracts. So this was a $100,000 YOLO. And he said it was down 60K. But Diamond Balls, right? And he actually... Oh no, it was a 25K YOLO. 25K, or 75K YOLO. So he was down 60K. And he Diamond Balled it. Diamond Balls. And somehow it came all the way back up to 400. And he actually managed to cash out for 25K. Alright, this is absolutely absurd. Don't do this, guys. So, and you know what? He got really lucky that he actually sold. I checked to see if he sold. He did sell. He sold at 400. Which I'm glad he did, because if he didn't, he would lose all his money again. So, highly, highly risky stuff here. This is super ridiculous. Don't do this, guys. Yeah, if he didn't hit the sell button when he did, he would have lost a lot of money here. So, yeah, congrats to you, dude. Enjoy the attendees, and, you know, probably you should not do this in the future. You got lucky here. You got straight up lucky. So, yeah, enjoy it while you can, and chill out in the future, unless you want to lose all your money. But good stuff. Congrats on your game. All right, can't give credit. 0-day gambler. All right, so this is insane. So this was a $600 YOLO, and he's up over 13K today. 2,220%. No, 2,200%. All right, and yeah, we see here what he did. Literally, SPY 397 put. And he printed crazy, so. Yep. Don't do this, guys. I guess you have $600. If you have a few $100 to YOLO, and you don't care, then sure. But this is absolutely insane. This is absolutely insane. What a gain here. Well done. But let's be real. This is more luck than anything. No skill involved. So, yeah, guys. Don't do this unless you can, you know, afford to lose the money. I'm okay with the few $100 YOLO. So, all right. I guess it's not too bad. You know, he could have YOLO'd his whole account. Well, I guess that was his whole account. But he could have YOLO'd, you know, 10K, 20K, something like that. So, not the worst thing in the world. But definitely lucky. And, yeah, paid off real big here. So, congrats to you, dude. And you should probably chill out in the future. You know, don't YOLO. If you want to YOLO again, do it again like $500. You know, not $14,000. But yeah, congrats to you, dude. Enjoy the tendies. All right, again, can't give credit. Back in black, 3K to 45K, less than a month after blowing up my account in 2021. All right, this is a bit questionable because he doesn't say what his plays was in, but yeah, so 3K blew it all up, so I'm assuming so he was negative 45K. So I'm assuming that was FD Yolos, it has to be. Walked away. And then I guess more FD Yolos and made it all back. Or he just deposited money. It really looks like he deposited money, but okay. I'm going to give him the benefit of the doubt. YOLO again and made it all back. So, you know, guys, don't do this. If you blow up your account, don't try to dig yourself out of a hole with more FDs. It worked out here, but this could have went really, really bad. So yeah, I'm glad it worked out, but oh my god, dude. Yeah, guys, if you're in a hole like this, don't gamble your way out of a hole. So I'm glad it worked out, but holy crap. What if it didn't work out? So, yeah, congrats to you, dude. And chill out in the future. You got yourself out of the hole. Be happy. Don't go back. But this is highly entertaining. All right, can't give credit. Wife is going to delete me. Yep, minus 70K. All time. Down to 79%. Well, just don't tell her. Yeah, that's pretty bad. All right, by Working Fluid. Wife doesn't know we have a newborn and just bought a condo in the Bay Area. This is all of our savings. All right, down 50K this year. Yep, don't tell her. Don't tell her, don't tell her. She's gonna leave you for her boyfriend. What you can do, though, and I'm totally joking here, but what you can do is refinance your house, right? Refinance your condo. Take that money and YOLO it again to make your money back. Great idea there. Yes, that's the move. Refinance your house, take the money, YOLO it, make your money back. Great idea. All right, just don't tell my husband. All right, so we got some female apes here. Not often, but here we got a female ape. Not too bad, not too bad. Down 14K. So that's really not too bad, all things considered, you know, compared to the other apes. And for all you know, your husband probably did this. Your husband probably did the same thing. All right, by Ander the Anteater. 5K to 41K to 2.5K. Impressive. Oh, it was on Bed Bath & Beyond. All right, yep. So, bunch of expiring calls today. 16, 45, 20.5, and 11.5. Those expired worthless, and he has one left for $80 in January. So, yeah, this is what happens when you don't sell, guys. When you diamond hand. Diamond hands is not the way. So, yep, so 5K to 41K. Literally, an 800% gain. And, bro, why didn't you cash out? Why didn't you cash out? So I don't feel bad at all here. Dumb apes, don't hit the sell button. Get wrecked. So, if you play meme stocks, guys, hit the sell button. Don't get too greedy. Wow, in the Bay, that's like 2 months rent left. Get out. Nah, dude, he's good. Just refinance. YOLO it again. Her husband was the other YOLO you had pulled up. Don't tell my wife. Which one? There was two of them. Probably one was her husband and one was the boyfriend. Yep. When when apes fall in love. When regarded apes fall in love. All right, by Unusual Respond 4918. Well, it hit over 800K earlier this week. I said 1 million or bust. I stuck to it, and here I am now. Enjoy the corn. 1 million or bust. We ride again. Oh my god. Oh god. All right. All right, let's see here. Well, it says right here. Yeah. So it was a 200K YOLO. At one point, it went over 700K. So, yeah. Almost 500K gain there. 200%. Over 200%. And what does he do?
With diamond hands, they knew they'd profit if they could only hold.
Yep. Oh, so it was a 230K YOLO. So he was up 500K. Now he's down 30K.
Bruh.
So again, I don't feel bad at all. What the actual hell? You're up 500K, dude. Hit the sell button. It's totally your fault. Totally your fault. And then, you know, clown face. It's okay. I'm a long-term investor. So, yes. So, overall, only down 30K. That's not too bad. But, yeah. From 700K down to here, epic loss cord. So, was it worth it, dude? Was the fame worth it? I don't know. But epic post here. So, sorry for your loss. Not really. But great content. And good luck, dude. All right, last one. And then we got some from Low Roller. Bag holders unite. All right, so this one was a 40K YOLO, and he's down 30K. Not sure what the cost basis was. Oh, here it is. Cost basis $27. $27. Yeah, that's called buy high, sell low. Am I doing it right? Yes, absolutely. All right, so that's all my YOLOs. Let's finish up with some of low rollers here. What's this? Scared my wife's boyfriend will find out I blew our life savings. Triplets on the way too. Yeah, I'm pretty sure he's trolling. So he lost $700 this year. Well, you know, if you have triplets on the way and you got $700, that's saying something. But you know what? Probably be good if she leaves you for her boyfriend. You don't have to take care of those kids anymore. Better for you. All right, what's this? Mainly swung puts with a good size every day, and now here we are. LMAO. Wow. So, yeah. So he started with 5K, and he's up 47K. 1,070% past 3 months. Very well done. So this guy went full rainbow bear mode, but yeah, be careful. This is not typical, but took advantage of the bear market here. All right, next one. Lost corn, minus 25K. Not too bad, but that's most of his account here. Still got 15K though. All right, let's see. I beat the game and left the casino, even left a tip for the dealer. Nice. So I don't know what this guy did, but seen quite a bit of lost corn out there today, so I wanted to kick you all while you're down. GG's. Yeah, so smart ape here. I don't know what he did, but ran it up 63K, and cashed out. Left the casino. That's how you're supposed to do it. Cash out. Diamond hands is not the way. Congrats to a smart ape here. Show them how it's done. Show the regarded apes how it's done. Alright, what's this? From 4K to 13K in 3 days, trading SPY options like a true degen. Alright, well, yeah. 200% gain. Over 200% gain. 3 days. Well done. But risky. You should probably not do this again before it goes to 0. Just enjoy your tendies. But congrats on the gain, dude. Zero day to expiration continued. 12K to 168Ks in 2 days. What the hell? Alright, so. Wow. Alright, so yes. 12K to 168K, 2 days. Insane action. Insane action there. So obviously FDs, super FDs, and obviously just pure luck. Pure luck. Don't recommend you guys do this. This is not typical. And yeah, this guy should just chill out before he loses all his money back. But, you know, sometimes all you need is some luck. So congrats to you, dude. You should probably not do it in the future. Alright, 19 years old, lost it all. Alright, that's a video. I don't really want to play this. No, it's not a video. But he's down 8K. That's it. So he's starting young. Lost 8K in 19. So it means he's gonna be back and lose. He's gonna lose more. So here's a future regarded ape in the making. And he's actually negative now. So well done. And yes, future bag holder in the making here. All right, what's this? Last article. How much are these? So how much was the collection worth? Doesn't even say. So at the time, it was valued at 2,500 to 5,000. So I don't know. It's probably went down in value, right? Probably went down in value. Yes, I don't know how much it's worth now, but if it went up in value or down in value. But this is ridiculous, yeah. Should have just sold it and split the cash. That's what I should have did, actually. Alright, guys. So, that is the show for today. So, good stuff. You know, very chill show. Hope you guys enjoyed. So, yeah, you know, that was fun. That was a lot of fun. That was just pretty much a giant chill sesh. So, hope you guys enjoyed. A lot of articles. Not too much TA. And a lot of YOLOs. So, good stuff. Hope you guys enjoyed. And, yeah, anything else before we get out of here? Questions, comments, concerns, charts, anything, put in the chat right now. Otherwise, we out of here. And a reminder, Monday, no show. Monday is Labor Day. So, I'll catch you guys back on Tuesday. Anyone roll up a joint and add some snow for relaxation? I've never heard that, but I've heard of, like, my friends used to crush up pills and roll it in the joint, but I've never. I don't like anything added. Even tobacco, I really don't like. I just like pure 420. That's how I like it. I hate the spliffs and everything, anything added. So I don't know about that, but yeah, for me it's just pure 420. Let me check YouTube. Where are we at? I think most people are gone. 7 viewers, 16 likes. All right, so there's actually more people here. But yeah, that's the show for today, guys. So appreciate everyone.
I appreciate you.
Now it's lagging, huh?
You loyal.
Snowana? That's a good name. Alright, anything else, guys? Before we get out of here? $4.20 add with crack is pure dilution. I wouldn't know. I don't plan on knowing. What kind of pills? Zans. Bars, if you know what I mean. Alright, I think that's it, guys. No one's saying anything, so I think that's it. So I appreciate everyone for being here. Hope you guys enjoyed the show. I definitely enjoyed the show. Thank you guys today for a chill show. And, yep, that's all I got. So I'll catch you guys on Tuesday, next Tuesday. Happy Labor Day, everyone. And, of course, we got the siren coming. Never, ever fails. Wish they didn't have too many sirens today. I actually think it's going the other way. Try it. Is F as dangerous as they said? It sure looks like it. I've never done it, but it sure looks like it, and I don't want to find out. And I'm a decline on the try it. I'm good with just pure 420. All right, guys. Cool. So I'll catch you guys next week. Enjoy your weekend, everyone. Happy Labor Day. Peace out. Thanks, everyone, for watching today. I appreciate you guys. Please, like the video. Please subscribe. And catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. Day trade next month, you said? Probably sooner. But within the month, yes, I would say. But probably realistically more like a couple weeks, maybe 2 weeks or so. But very soon. Yes. I'm Ty. This is Smarter Gambling. See you guys on Tuesday. Have a great weekend, everybody, and happy Labor Day. Peace out.